Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a little holiday get ready with me. I already have my holiday neutral tutorial, but I thought I actually have a party to go to. I have these new hair extensions, so why don't I do a chit chat, get ready with me, everything, outfit, hair, makeup. Yeah, so I've had a stressful few days, so yes, that is yesterday's makeup. I am embarrassed to tell you that, but also shout out to Huda Katan, because this eyeliner has definitely been on for like a very long time. Let's not admit how long, but just since yesterday. So I'm just throwing my hair in a bun. Such a big bun. And I'm gonna put on my little headbandy thing. Let's go in with some Take the Day Off. And rub that around. So tonight is a holiday gala at church. So we are, well, it's not at church. It's actually at a banquet hall, but it's with church. So we're going to that, which will be fun. I ran out of my Rodent & Fields, and I have a brand new bottle, but I cannot find it in this move, so I just picked up this Neutrogena Deep Clean Gentle Scrub. I need more water. It's not bad. One cool thing that happened today is we finalized our countertop. So that is definitely coming in. Taking my toner, which I'm also pretty much out of. I think there's a few more drops left. And our countertop will officially be coming in next week. I'm so excited, being installed. Once the countertop is in, everything else can go in, and I'm just so happy. Moisturize. I'm trying to do this quickly because I am going to be doing my cousin's makeup for the gala tonight. That is good. So let's go out there and start getting this face glammed. I'm going to go in with some primer because my skin has been very dry. Sorry if you heard clicking, that's the fireplace. It's going off. I have the Laura Mercier Foundation Radiance. I'm not gonna like really necessarily show you what I'm using. You've seen it. It's the same stuff from the other videos. But I'm just gonna prime my face. Feels nice. I can't believe Christmas is coming so soon this year. I don't feel like the year flew by. I don't know. I don't know if anyone else is like that. This year was a year. I mean, finishing school, and you know, I was an intern, and then getting a job, and just all of that stuff was kind of, you know, it was an intense year, and then we moved. 2019 is gone with a bang. I'm just gonna like try to conceal before. I don't know why, but I feel like when I conceal before, it tends to like last better for me. I don't know. Yeah. So I just honestly still like can't get over that Christmas is next week. Oh, I gotta wet this. You know me. I love Christmas, but it just like, I don't know, I haven't been focusing on it, and I think that's because of obviously moving, but even before, I wasn't usually by Halloween. Actually, that's a lie. After Thanksgiving, I'm like, let's put up the Christmas tree. That's October 12th. I'm usually like really ready, but this year, I don't know, it was just something different. Maybe I like knew, maybe like subconsciously I knew something was gonna happen, because I just can't believe that I have put in, like, I've not decorated a thing. I've not bought any decorations. I thank the Lord, like, I don't even know how I bought Christmas presents, but pretty much they're all done, which I'm still like baffled. Like, the Lord knew, and he just made everything happen in a very non-stressful way. Cause like, even our move, Andrew and I were talking about, was like the easiest move we've ever done. And it was right before, one, a trip, and two, the holidays. Oh, and I haven't even self-tanned, so I'm really gonna have to bring this down. And this is like a light shade for me. Set my T-zone under my eyes, over my eyes. Hi Wally, how you doing? Walter has a donut cone on because he can't lick, he's not supposed to lick his paws. He's been doing that. Okay. Sorry, I'm like rushing, but I feel in a little bit of a rush. So I'm going to take my trusty contouring brush and this Tom Ford Sable powder, and I'm just gonna start carving. And I'm gonna do it a little bit like exaggerated tonight because it's a party. There's gonna be pictures, there's gonna be a photo booth. I wanna get some good photos. Eyeliner is on. Love this eyeliner, but it's so hard to match them up. I have such a hard time using it, but it lasts so long. It's so good. I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. Just do like a really light coating. And you know what? I'm even going to do a light coating on the bottom, which I never do. Better. Okay. I think I'm just not used to it. And I cannot find my, my lipstick. So I might have to pick that up at the drugstore. I'm going to go in with these Demi Wispy Studio Effects. I don't know what the difference between Studio Effects and like regular lashes are, but I like them. And I will put these on, and then I will see you in the bathroom to start my hair. Okay, so my makeup is done. I'm gonna take my hair out of this bun, and I'm gonna use the Kenra Dry Volume Shampoo. I really love the smell of this. My sister and I used to buy these curling irons from Shoppers Drug Mart, which is like the Canadian CVS. They were by Tony and Guy. They look like this, and there used to be a clip, but I think what happened was mine broke off, and then we started using it as a wand, and then I think Amy Lee started using it as a wand too. So it has been a very interesting learning curve on how to curl my hair, but I'm kind of getting the hang of it. So I'm gonna section off. I've been sectioning off in 3 pieces because I find it's just the most manageable for me. maybe even sometimes 4, depending on how precise I am. But the bottom pieces are pretty short. I have like weird regrowth under my like hair that I've always kind of had. Those, you've seen them, they're always falling out of my ponytails. Like, they're so short. It's just crazy. Some people think it's breakage, but I'm pretty sure it's regrowth. Anyways, so this curling iron is so old that it doesn't even have like the temperature. You can't even move it up. It just goes on high, I think. Oh no, you can. Just the on and off doesn't work, but this is on high. And I'm gonna take smaller pieces because I want, it to last. Like, it is almost 3 o'clock right now, and the party is until 6:30. So I need it to last for a while. So I pretty much try and hold the barrel straight, keep a bit of the end out, and hold for a few seconds. Okay, this did not work. I think it needs to be, oh, I think I need to hold it on more. I also use my Numi 1-inch wand. This is also a 1-inch barrel, but I have to go digging through, and I actually really love this curling iron. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. And here we are. I love this hair. So just kind of like going like this. Zhuzh. I'm going to take some of Amy Lee's hairspray. This is Big and Sexy Spray and Play. And I'm just going to spray. Ooh. So that is my hair and half makeup, well, most makeup. I gotta go buy some lipstick and I gotta go do other people's makeup. So you will see me when I am all ready to go. So I'll insert a picture of what I was wearing. And honestly, after I got ready, I was in a complete rush to get to the party. So we're home now, it's late. This is the jacket that I wore. I love, it's actually so warm. It's this faux fur jacket from Forever 21. I really, really like it. And then my outfit was this jumpsuit from, oops, Banana Republic, which is just this like plain basic jumpsuit that is cute because it's like cinched in at the waist. And then this like fluffy, feathery jacket from Forever 21. And then I wore the gray boots, which you will see in the photo. And that was my outfit. So I hope that you enjoyed this holiday gala get ready with me, hair, makeup, everything. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another Vlogmas video. Good night.